Sa papalapit na katapusan ng isang proyekto o trabaho, binuhos mo ba ang iyong puso't kaluluwa para ito'y maging matagumpay? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Ganyan si San Pablo. Bago siya mamatay, ibinigay niya ang kabuuan ng kanyang sarili para sa misyong pinagawa ng Panginoon Jesus sa kanya. Saint Paul felt like he'd run his race, just like finishing a marathon after pushing through every single challenge. And he'd held on to his beliefs, never giving up on what he knew was true, just as Peter did even after stumbling. Both of them looked forward, not with fear, but with a greater hope for a reward, a recognition for a life dedicated to what they believed in. Let's take a moment to think about your own race today. Are we running it with purpose, holding on to our faith, and living in a way that will bring us that ultimate sense of completion and hope? Manalangin po tayo. O Panginoon, biyayaan mo kami na mamuhay ng may layunin, maging tapat sa aming pananampalataya at manatiling umaasa sa iyo. Amen.